How does people's freedom fit with what is right? Human freedom and ethical principles interact to show how our choices relate to moral values, highlighting ongoing debates about personal autonomy versus moral excellence. The debate over human freedom and ethics concerns whether personal choices should prioritize autonomy or moral goodness, aiming for responsible behavior that benefits everyone. Ethical principles guide us to consider the impact of our choices on others and society, balancing personal autonomy with responsibility. Point number 3. Various philosophical and religious beliefs shape how people balance their freedom with moral responsibilities, influencing their approach to ethical challenges.
Objection to point number 1. Prioritizing moral goodness over personal autonomy may restrict individual freedom and diversity of choices, imposing uniform ethical standards that overlook cultural or personal variations in moral beliefs. For our others' objection to point number 2, balancing diverse philosophical and religious beliefs to reconcile personal freedom with moral responsibilities can complicate ethical decision-making through conflicting interpretations. For our others' objection to point number 3, due to diverse ideas, people navigate varied perspectives on ethical behaviors, each emphasizing different values and principles. For our first answer to objection, prioritizing moral goodness respects diverse beliefs while upholding shared ethical norms without suppressing individual freedoms or diversity of choices. For our second answer to objection, navigating ethical decisions with diverse philosophical and religious beliefs is complex due to differing interpretations, yet aims for inclusive solutions respecting personal freedoms and communal moral standards.
So, answer to objection 3. With diverse ideas, people navigate varied perspectives on ethical behaviors, each highlighting different values and principles, enriching ethical discourse, and promoting inclusivity in decision-making. So, insight on point number 1. The debate over human freedom and ethics centers on balancing personal autonomy with moral goodness, aiming for responsible behavior that benefits society. Insight on point number 2. Ethical principles promoting awareness of how actions affect others, guiding thoughtful, empathetic decision-making that balances personal autonomy with responsibility for societal well-being. So, in conclusion, finding the right balance between personal freedom and ethical principle means considering different viewpoints to encourage responsible behavior that respects both individual choices and societal moral norms. So, our own application of the insight, understanding the balance between personal autonomy and ethical responsibility helps individuals make decisions that not only honor their freedoms, but also contribute positively to the well-being of their communities and the world at large. So that would be all. Thank you.